Hi, Mrs. G here. So this week we have an assignment. It's called Email Your Professor. Pretty exciting. So I'm going to scroll on down to that. We're going to talk a little bit about that assignment. Module 2. It's a 40-point assignment. It's kind of a big kahuna. So how do you communicate with me? Well, we're going to do it in Canvas. There's an inbox to your left. You click on the inbox. You go up here to compose. And you can compose an email to me. So we're going to pick our class, which is 012. Then you're lucky enough you get to pick teachers. So you can pick teacher and then you say Mrs. G. Pretty simple. You don't even have to know my email address. So it's going to be intro to me. And then you might want to say your name. Always make sure your subject is pertaining to whatever you're doing, whether it's a question with an assignment. So maybe you have a question about module 2, the email assignment. This way I can kind of at a glance know what's going on and what you need. Then always start with a greeting. That's polite. This isn't a text message, so we want to make sure we're saying, hello, Miss G, how are you? Sometimes you can even be a little informal and be like, yo, what up, dog? That sounds wrong. So, I try to be cool and trendy. My boys both tell me to stop the madness. They're teenagers. Do you have a teenager? I digress. So, type hello. Start with your problem. I have a problem. Tell me what the problem is. What's on your mind? Or maybe you're running late, or maybe you need an extension. You have to communicate me early and often so we know what's going on. In cyberspace, it's a little scary because you kind of feel like you're alone out there. After you say the problem or the question that you may have, you then say goodbye to me. So it's polite to always end with a thanks and a comma, and then always put your name. Now, it's been funny because some of you haven't been using your name in your emails, and then you do this. You lowercase it. What's that about? Use capitalization. Show me that you're an intelligent individual, even if we will never meet face to face. Then once you feel you have a good handle on the email, you hit send and off it goes. And that's how you send an email. I look forward to meeting you all through cyberspace and the online world of emails. Thanks and have a great one.